we pull up that photo that just downloaded. Here we go. You can see it right there. Let's bring that up and let's just put that in there just so. All right, we all copy, paste. Let's see what we can get. Oh, nice photo. We can do something fun with it. Okay, let's do something fun with it. Let's use this whole thing. All right, so now you in Photoshop, let's save it as a file that's, let's see. Save ad, we had it as, we're going to put now Marquee Electric in case you have to search for it. We're going to rename it. Okay, and what I would do also is I would go in and get rid of your other folder so you're not confused. We're actually going to save this under Marquee Electric. Banners. Yep, no, we're going to leave this banner right here. So this is the first banner. Okay, here we're going to go. Just banner 1. Okay, and we're also going to, let's save the file. Save as. Let's get rid of this one because we already resaved it here and it's got all those elements if we did want to. So let's delete the insulation banner and save it as the marquee banner. Okay, then when you go into, all right, so now go back into your Revolutionary slider. You're in here. Let's edit this first slide. Okay, let's delete these because they're just duplications and they're different videos, which it's going to be different when we go in. We're going to want to delete the marquee slide, not the NYS foam slide. So let's clean this file up a little bit. All right, let's open this one. Edit the slide. Okay, so here, just leave everything here. Let's just play with the image. All right, so when you go down, and here's your main box right here where you're going to pay attention. All right, big image. Let's change it to that image. Okay, so you get this. What I like to do is I like to open up and have my folder open, and I just drag and drop. So let's take NYS, no, this is Marquee Electric, sorry. Marquee Electric, where? Okay, right here, we just created. All right, let's go. Remember these all right, it's a home page, it's the banner. Let's go into, nope, actually it's straight on the banners page. I'm sorry, here it is, here's your first one. Let's get rid of this one just not to confuse us. You know what, we're actually going to keep it for right now because it might give us relationship, like what's in the middle and what's not, and you'll see on different devices certain things get cut off. All right, so here's your folder. It's down here. Just drag this into your media folder here that opened. It'll go up. We're just going to put it in for now. Any kind of links and stuff we can mess with later. So this is now how we changed it. Okay, and what you can do is you can add you can add words, enable to add words. Okay, so here, let's see. Edit style. Okay, we can add a layer. So here we can add a video, we can add an image, we can add a layer. Let's add a layer, and that gives us a text box. Let's say Marquee. Actually, let's just say the best electrical work in Westchester. Let's pretend that's a little bit of a quote. So let's do this. Margie H. Armonk, New York. All right, so let's put this here. Okay, now again, these are all, we're just making stuff up right now because we want to just show some examples. So you can play with the font and everything else. Let's see how that, okay, and then edit the style. Oh, I'm sorry, no, let's not edit the style. Let's go into here. There is a bunch of different presets already on fonts, and it's called CSS. You have some things that, it's a border, it's not a border. Let's go with something without a box around it. Maybe something white because it's got, that looks like it's, okay, white center. Let's see what that looks like. All right, that might be pretty cool. What I would do here is see if we can, we're probably going to have to take this down and do a second text box. Let's say, okay, so there, that's just that. Let's add another layer, and we're going to put Margie's name in there and move it down. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh. There we go. Okay, and what you can do here is positioning. You know, if you want these both right underneath each other, see how this changes right here? That went to 151, but if you click this one, it's at 155. So here, if you want Margie lined up directly with that one, put in 155 and see how it clicked into lining up. Okay, anyway, that's an example. So let's just do that and for now, and then you can play with it. All right, I hope this was helpful. Bye. Gun Multimedia. All right, I did update the slide. One thing I forgot to show you was when you went in here, you when you were all done, you say update slide, and when you go here and you refresh, the new slide comes out here, okay? All right, I'll show you about logos. When you're in here, if you go back to, you can go back to electric, the title card up here, and it'll take you back to, I'm sorry, it will take, nope, you have to toggle to the dashboard. All right, now in this one, I'm going to show you how to find the logo. We are in Salient is the theme or the child in this. This is a plugin. This was a plugin down here. It just happened to go down there. Ignore these two. These are nothing. Sometimes appearance will be right here. It depends on the theme. This theme actually rewrote right here. I think Neil had made it a child, and it ended up another title on the menu card. All right, so if you go to, let's say header's probably going to be where the logo is. Let's see, general settings. Oh, yeah, here we go. All right, to upload the a logo. Now, there's two types of logos you want to put on. A logo you want to have a retina logo, which is a high, it's double the size of a standard logo. It's mainly for Macs or have a really high DPI. I think that's what that is. And then you have your regular logo, which is a certain DPI, which is half this size. So you're going to prepare it. You're going to prepare your logo in a double the size, and then you're going to cut it down to make the standard logo. Okay, so you're going to have two different logos. I made the logo height this high just because this was the type of logo we were doing. I think with marquees, we're going to do a little less, and we're going to do it across. Anyway, you can also pad around it. You can, you know, work with these kind of things. Change the light to dark. Put all your icons on, your social media icons. So this is where that is. So let's go over that again. That was under Salient and under Header in this particular theme. Okay, thanks. Bye.